Amazing. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Rainbow Dragon 6, and oh wait, who is this? Who is this freaking person who's copying my username? Oh,
Hello.
it's Midnight. Frick you, Midnight. This is Midnight. See my friend. I just murdered you.
Hello, people of
And
the world.
today we're doing a flip and build battle. So good
Yes,
luck.
and I'm going to go for the most horrible haunted house ever.
Yeah, the theme is like haunted.
Yes. And the theme also goes perfect with this because it's raining. Why do I have this?
I made the rain stop. I'm sorry.
No! Why must you do this?
Because I'm an evil.
Okay, I will put my house here. There we go.
Hey, where are you?
Over here!
Okay.
I'm right next to you, but you'll be neighbors.
Okay, I'm gonna make a pathway to your house.
Okay,
You
This
can't
is also gonna be
you
made out
can't-
of coal.
you can't start yet.
Oh no.
Too bad you can't just murder it. Just hold the block. Rip. Rip. So we have about we have about 10 minutes to build a house.
As well as
Basically, yeah. Decorations too. Your time? Actually, you have a bit more than 10 minutes. You have about like 11 or 12 or whatever. Whatever the frick. But ready? On your mark, get set, go! Not obsidian. I need bedrock in this. I know, bedrock's mine. Okay, let's see. That catches on fire too easy. Yes. Oh yes, that looks cool. Alright, so our audio's gonna suck.
Yes, it is.
You know, what the frick.
Very much. I don't know what happened.
That sounds great.
A bunch of random holes filled with coal in my house.
That sounds great.
Well, you don't want the rain getting in, do you? So it's gonna look like a weird mansion house from Animal Jam.
Nice.
Yeah, I really suck at building though, because I haven't played Minecraft for a long time.
Nice. I really suck at life because I never play I'm just kidding. I always play Minecraft.
Why?
I don't know.
I'm doing one layer first coal, and then I'm gonna do obsidian and so on. My house is gonna be so dark like my soul.
It's as black as my soul.
But it's gonna have a lot of pumpkins, because if it's not Thanksgiving or Christmas, it's still Halloween. That's my policy.
I like that.
And of course, I'm like actually obsessed with Halloween.
Yeah. What were you for Halloween again? Midnight?
I was a version of myself, but as Nightmare, the one who steals Nightmare because she's my own character.
You guys steal my Nightmare, you're pretty much dead.
Yes. Very much. You're very much dead.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm almost done. I don't know how many layers I'm gonna do with coal though. Should I do my 4 coal as well or obsidian?
I can't help you with this.
I don't really know.
I know it would look better, but I'm not telling you.
Your house looks so finished already though.
I know.
I'm just like working on mine. It's not my fault though. I haven't played Minecraft in a long time, so just try to take my time a little bit on this.
I know.
Kinda hurts.
I know. We might have to do like a part 2 video because
Yeah.
I only have so much time here. So yeah, we might just do another part 2 for this.
Play with me. She's one of our friends.
Yeah, Witty.
2016.
Yep.
Please. She very much needs this. Also subscribe to Rainbow Dragon.
Rainbow Dragon is me.
Yes.
Oh, and yeah, you should say hi to Luna. She's on here. I'll tell you who she is later, but I think she'd like to hear you say hello to her.
Hello, person. You're probably gonna be watching this in the future, so just hello.
I'll tell you who she is later, and then you'll wish you made a better hello.
I'm getting faster buildings.
That sounds great. I think you're getting better.
Look at how awesome.
How about we
my
do like a
house
few
looks.
build battles though, like a few videos on just build battle. So like you can get better, we can get views. I love how my house is looking so far.
My house actually is kind of matching my jacket.
I can't wait to
This
see
is
it.
not going to my nice skin. I have a skin I need a download.
I like that skin on you though.
Yeah, but I have purple hair. I like my character with brown hair. Because then she looks more like me.
Personally, I like purple hair.
Yes, I do too, because purple is one of the most beautiful colors.
Yes. Take that, blue lovers. I'm just kidding.
No, blue is my second.
I know, same here. I look blue. Alright, we don't have much more time.
But look at the house so far.
It looks so beautiful.
I'm going to lay
It's dark as my soul.
We're gonna possibly do like roommates or something.
I know.
No!
I'm already roommates with Dana, my friend. Frick. I'm already roommates with Waka 5. Hello. Dude, I mean, I don't really care.
Yeah, but I mean, there's just gonna be so much people. Imagine all that fighting.
Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. Personally, I actually like a good fight.
Yeah, but not where I might ever turn into any of you. Because I might kill you, like that comic I will make soon on Scratch. If any of you want to look at my stuff, it's a Midnight 1051, just like it is.
Yeah.
I also have Bedrock. I just did it because it looks nice, actually.
I like Bedrock. That's what I'm using. And plus, it's indestructible.
Actually, this does not look fun. Okay, so let me just do this.
Yes, I like how mine's looking.
Oh, I love this great round.
Okay, we're definitely gonna need to do a part 2 to this.
Yes.
So we only got like 5 more minutes left.
Possibly vote on who's your favorite house so far.
Yeah.
The House of Dark Souls
Or
or the
the.
House of Red Rock. I'm just gonna call it.
Excuse me, look at it. It doesn't have all bedrock.
I know. You crazy girl.
I am crazy.
Girl.
Yay. Sounds so much fun. I don't know what's wrong with me. So yeah, this is basically what we've decided to do with our lives.
I'm still gonna build my wall. I think it's looking so well so far.
I feel like that's high enough. Yeah. I personally, guys, this is just like a Minecraft tip for dark rooms. Black terracotta is the best, for sure. Not concrete. I know.
Awesome in Minecraft though, how it's like you hit everything with your hand.
I know.
So it's like, wouldn't your hand hurt all the time though if you were your actual character?
I know it kind of looks brown, but it actually makes it dark. And when you close off all the sunlight, we don't want none of that natural lighting in this house. It's called sins in this house.
The only time my
Whoa,
window will be open is when it's raining outside, which is clearly not.
I need new doors. Yeah, so these just don't work anymore. Great.
Hopefully we don't have O'Brien come in this. I know he's probably either real or not real, but I don't even know. I'm not gonna jinx anything because I don't want to die.
I hope Herobrine comes here. I like him. No, I'm just kidding.
He's just like cool,
Yeah.
like us, almost.
There. There we go. That looks great.
Floors coming together so slowly.
That sounds great. This will be my bedroom. This will be my other rooms.
It's
Alright.
raining again. That's beautiful.
It is. Alright, so
I'm
where?
Just the beautiful naturalness of just candles and torches.
Tip, if you want light, redstone, and you still want to keep a creepy house, redstone torches are by far the way to go.
Yeah.
That's what I've already done with my house. It's so beautiful.
Almost done. Lord! I wish I had enough time to build up a wall for this.
I feel like we still have about 4 more minutes.
I can't wait to play Bed Wars after this because that's gonna be like the first time I ever played Bed Wars.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna do a Bed Wars video just for you guys.
Yes, and it's actually way too dark. I cannot see other than just like
Yeah.
my house just there. That's just sad.
I know.
How would you place? It's actually a plant.
I think you need dirt for
Why
it
is this a
then.
plant?
You need dirt if it's a plant.
Like, it says some kind of flower and some kind of plant. Like, whatever. I'm gonna put ender chests in here. Cause I like the whole ender dragon theme. Beautiful, look at all these sparks. I should have these filled with so many ender spawners. Ender spawners. No, these two are messed up.
Okay. Guys, I feel like ours is going super well.
I'm gonna have all these chests everywhere on the bucket. I'm gonna have so much stuff. I'm gonna have 2 walls filled with chests. Torch dead. But I have no idea what I want to do with my pumpkins yet. No, I don't want.
Okay, I'm basically, this is now just a matter of decorating the outside.
I'm just gonna try and fill as many chests as I can later with so many ender pearls that it's just gonna be. So I'm gonna be like a Minecraft character who can teleport just like a real Enderman. Or technically that would be Ender Girl. Sick. Look at how beautiful this is all.
So amazing.
I have so much storage space. So much. Okay, now
Alright, time is up. We're gonna make a part 2, guys. That's it. Bye!
Bye.
Wait, alright, we have like 5 more seconds, 10 more seconds. Well, yeah, that's it. This is the houses. We're gonna do a part 2, and bye. Bye for real this time.
yes,
Goodbye!